Back to the channel. Today I'm going to start off with a new series of HTML CSS for beginners. If you're a really beginner and you don't know what exactly HTML CSS is, stay with me and I will teach you how exactly you can create your first new web page and what exactly are HTML tags and how you can learn easily with that, and what is exactly CSS and how you can learn. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your new .html file and open in and create your first new web page, and what exactly are HTML tags, how to open and how to close the tags. So first of all, I'm going to use the bracket software in my MacBook. If you are on Windows, you can create, you can go and open your notepad and create a file like I'm going to show you how exactly you are going to create new .html file is. You'll go to new and save this file, like save as, wherever you want to save. I'm going to save it on desktop, so I'm giving it a name of index.html. .html is really necessary for this, so the computer will know that it is .html file and it will open in the Google Chrome afterwards. Create the file, and .html file is created on my desktop. So what exactly and how you can going to start and create your new web page? First of all, open a tag and close it. This is the opening of HTML tag and you have to put it in every start of your web page. This is necessary. If you don't put this, it will still work, but this is a good practice. With the backslash and the tag name like this, it means that you are going to close the tag. This is the opening of tag and this is the closing of tag. Now going afterwards, there are three sections in your web page. First is the header one, the second one is the body one, and the third one is the footer one. What exactly we are going to create is, now we are going to create body first, so you will know how exactly the tag is going to work. In body, you are going to create a heading of this is my new web page. What exactly this .h1 tag is the header one tag, heading one tag. Heading one tag is basically a bolder and a bigger text. There are 3 to 4 to 5 kinds of tags: h1, h2, h3, h4, and so on. I'll show you what is the difference between them. Let's go and reload this on my web page and you will see that this is my new web page will be written on your, just see that this is my new web page and this is the h1 heading tag. If you want a smaller than that, you can use the h2 tag. This is not always fixed bold and the size of the text. You can change it in .css file. I'll show you in my next video how to exactly make a class and change the font type and font style. So for this, you can see this is my new web page, and if we save the file and go and reload this, you will be seeing this is the smaller text than this one because this is the h2 tag. And similarly, if you want to create a h3 tag, you will see it will be much smaller than the upper two tags. Just save it and reload this and you will be seeing that the size of this is really small than h1 and h2 tag. This is how you can open and close the tag. And first of all, if you are on Notepad, you have to close your tag by manually. I'm using brackets, it is closing the tag for me automatically, but this is not a good practice unless you are very professional in it. So you have to learn exactly how to close a tag. You can see this is the body tag, and what I'm going to write is what exactly the body is. This is the header part and the front of the web page, and this is the whole body part, and that is the footer part. What I am writing is everything is in body. So for this, I am going in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can open and close the tag. You can create your new web page and afterwards you can create you can change everything you want to. This is very easy. You just have to understand how the opening and closing of tags work and how exactly everything is available on the websites internet. But if you are going to create a new web page, if you want to learn HTML CSS, this is very necessary for you. For today's video, you can just learn this and practice these tags. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can change the colors and how you can add inline CSS for this. Thank you so much and follow my next video.